Hello guys, today we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro without Max. Yeah, this time around I will not be getting the Max model because lastly I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max model, and as you can see my fingers are really fat and clumsy, and I cannot operate easily these big phones. And also the Max models are more heavy. It's not advisable for me to put them on my bike where I spent most of my life lately. But yeah, let's not waste more time and just start unboxing this device. The box is not falling like that. It's a new box for me, thinner, lighter, but the box is substantially heavier than I expected. I don't know if the inside will be so heavy. Yeah, and we remove that, and this is inside the cover. You see the camera cutout is placed nicely here, and we get this lovely blue color. You can see my lamp reflecting off of it. Maybe I should have cleaned my hands before I open this beauty, but yeah, that's the risks of live shows. This is not live actually, but yeah, thank you for watching. So this is the front sticker, and we have the mute, which is now action button. We have the plus minus for volume and the power button, and Apple ink. One Apple way Cupertino, designed in California, built in China or maybe India. We don't know, maybe these are built somewhere, someplace else. We'll start this device, and maybe we have to hold for a bit more. Yeah, it lights up, and definitely you can see the nice bezels. I don't think it's so light as everyone said. I think it's nearly the same. Oh, look at it, the dynamic island. I missed on the dynamic island. Oh, it's in Bulgarian. Nice from you, Apple, thank you very much. And we'll see later. We will set up it with my old iPhone, which I'm currently using to film this. But let's see the cable, the nicely braided cable. This cable is very nice to look at, but apparently this cable is supporting USB-C 2 speeds only. So if you want to do something else than charging, you may want to find another cable. I think it's 1 meter long, but let's make this nice figure. And what's inside? We have the usual Apple stickers. We have the SIM card removal tray, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll put the SIM now, and we'll install it. But yeah, this is everything from the unboxing of the new iPhone. Nothing much, no charger in the box as they promised. And yeah, this is the new phone. The design is very nice. It looks like the old one, and this color, I like it. It's a bit darker than my iPhone 12 Pro Max, but I like it. Swipe up, we'll select language and install it. And then I'm going to show what we can do with this USB-C port on the bottom. A lot of things actually that we couldn't do with the Lightning, or that we needed to use adapters, third party or first party adapters. But yeah, stay tuned. And you just need to put the two phones side by side, and they will start communicating. You can see that this is the 12 Pro Max that I used to rock until now. It's way bigger. It's similar, very similar color actually. I thought that this was a bit darker, but very slightly darker. And as you can see, these bezels here, these sides are made on the new device and are very reflective on the old device. So we'll need to do a software update, and they continue syncing. So how you can do this? You just place it on the camera and it activates, and now they start communicating with one another. We enter the passcode off screen because I don't want you to know my passcode, guys. And then we continue filming. Face ID. We need to set up Face ID. Get started. And Face ID is complete. Use Face ID with a mask. Use Face ID with a mask. But do we have a mask here? No, I don't have a mask. Maybe I should have put a mask. Okay. Transfer from iPhone. About 15 minutes and about 15-20 minutes. What should I choose, guys? 15 or 15-20? I don't know. I'll choose from here, from the other phone. It seems more reasonable to do it when the devices are nearby. And I'm signing in. I have to agree things. No, I don't want emails. I agree to everything. I'm such a good boy. What can I do? My parents taught me well. You should blame them. Ooh, really nice animation. And my face is so pretty on this Animoji. Make this your new iPhone. Everything as you had it on your old phone. Settings, blah blah blah, Apple Watch, continue, update, oh no, only download. Enable location services, guys. I want to be tracked. I give everything to you, Apple. So now I will tell you all the cool stuff that you can do with the new USB-C on your iPhone. First we'll plug this USB-C monitor, which turns off our light, but we'll pump the light on. Yep. And this actually shows and goes to the monitor. Yep. And you can write stuff, but since this monitor is tied up to a keyboard, you can write like that. Let's switch to English. Yep. And he can read this and he can reply with okay, only this. Okay, that's cool. And what else we can do? We can try and plug it to something else. Like what else we can plug it? We can plug it to this, I think this Nintendo Switch here. Let's move the monitor and we'll plug it to this Nintendo Switch, and we will plug the phone to the Nintendo Switch. And what happens? I don't know, nothing really actually. So Yep. When you plug your iPhone to a Nintendo Switch, nothing happens. Yeah. But we'll see other things. Let's see something else. I will go grab something else. Now we have an Apple Watch. And what happens when we plug this USB-C to the Apple Watch? Oh, unbelievable. It starts charging. But that's nothing to give fuss about. This is all with all USB-C charging devices. They will pair and see who will give power to who, but unfortunately with this Nintendo it didn't happen. And now we'll try something else. We have the watch. The watch charger is connected to the phone. The phone charges the watch, and then we'll charge the phone with the MagSafe charger. Yep. And they all are charging now. So the MagSafe charger charges the phone charges the Apple Watch, and you can continue like that. If you have few USB-C iPhones, you can plug them one after another and one to the main, so you can leave them at night and they will charge gradually one after another until they are all charged up, or something burns, but I doubt it. It should be working fine. I don't know what else can we try and charge here from the... I have a Bluetooth USB-C JBL, but I don't see any value of doing that. So on that bombshell, thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you. Like, subscribe, share, whatever.